Hello traders, it's another week and we've got a new video for you. Come and join me. Today we're going to examine new funded accounts which had been already paid with an 80% profit split. But this time we implemented a new feature. You can check out the payout section on the website and you can also see a lot of paid out funded accounts and browse around either this month or the past months. Let's start with the first one I selected for you. This account is a MetaTrader 4 account with a $100,000 initial deposit, traded from December 23 all the way to January 6. And I really like the balance chart here, except for a few trades, then one or two trades which the trader had some major drawdown. This balance curve is looking astonishing. And those trades were almost breached the max daily loss. As you can see here, the allowed max daily loss is 5%. And it just went over slightly of $4,000, but that's perfectly kept. So the trader passed this objective. And of course, $12,000, 80% was sent to the trader. So let's learn from this trader. His most profitable day was Wednesday by far with $14,000. But I also like that despite of starting with few profits and major losses, it turned out to be a really profitable account on the next upcoming day. The profit by holding time shows us that it's more like an intraday trader. Everything between 1 and 4 hours are profitable. And of course, Wednesday is with 3 wins and 0 losses is one of the most profitable days. Also, Thursday and Fridays are also with 1 winning trades and 0 losing trades. But let's get in more in depth with the statistics. So 75% win rate. This compensates the low average risk to reward ratio, because anything below 1 considered be a low RRR. Perhaps this can be improved by increasing the take profit or lowering the stop loss. I don't like that the average win is lower than the average loss, but despite a 75 win rate that could compensate the losses, this trader is having a profit factor of 2.37, which anything above 2 is highly profitable. During this trading period, between December 23 and January 6, the trader used to trade buy positions profitably. Selling was not that profitable, and the only instrument he was trading is gold. So this is a specialist account, and from the trading history, you can see that he or she is fairly using regular trading volumes. Also, the duration as holding time we talked about earlier is between 1 and 4 hours. So you can see that anything 2, 6, 2, 3 hours are the most profitable. If you'd be interested about gold during this era, then you can see here from the 23rd of December, already the market was going in an uptrend. So buying positions for this account increase the odds of making profits on his or her account. Of course, if you trade with the trends, you get the profits. And I left the best for the last. For our final account, let's take a look into a £151,000 profit account. These profits are staggering. So this is a MetaTrader 5 account with an initial deposit of £280,000. And altogether, the trader made a balance up to £431,000. So he grew the account by £151,000. That's outstanding. I like the daily charts. Despite in the beginning, some major losses like minus £8,000 had occurred. Altogether, the overall days are pretty profitable, and you can see the trade chart also. So some of these trades had some minor losses, and then he improved on the trading curve by a lot, as you could see on the payout also. Max daily loss stayed below 5%, so that's good. I like the daily returns. Tuesday, Wednesday are profitable, and also crypto trading is involved. So besides Thursday, Monday, all the rest of the days are remarkably profitable, and you can see almost £100,000 were made on Tuesday. The daily summary shows some days are winning, some days are losing, but after all, losing days are less. I also like the profit by holding time. Besides scalping for a few minutes, under 5 are not profitable, but anything above 5 minutes are really profitable, and the most profitable were 1 and 4 hour trades. So intraday trading during a session, either London, American session or Asian session. And then the wins losses also show us that Wednesdays, Tuesdays, and perhaps Saturdays are the most profitable days. I like the direction. So in this trading era, he was selling. Most of the trades were put on sell, and altogether 122,000 pounds were made. And it's interesting that this trader made most of the profits on US 30 cash. This is most like a specialist's account, but he's trading with other pairs, just like besides US 30 cash, which is the most profitable, he can trade profitably on gold, on Forex pairs also, and Bitcoin as well. So he utilizes weekends, weekdays for trading, all kind of pairs, all kind of directions. It doesn't matter if it's a selling or buying direction, both of them are profitable. And the history is also showing that the trading volume is around similar, around usual on indices, on Forex pairs also. And then of course, sometimes he is making some profit, then some losses, but after all, the gains are much higher. The statistic shows us the same, that he has a 60% win rate, which is quite good, and the fair risk to reward ratio of above 1 indicates that this is a highly profitable account, as you could see. And then 150,000 pounds were made, of course, but the average win and average loss are not even close to that number. So he implemented 87 trades with an overall lot of 4,715. So this is a good number of trades. We can see how profitable the account for a long run, for years, and we hope years and years will come for this trader to make more profits. Thank you once again for being here and watching our funded account series. If you're interested in how to start trading, just visit our main page, take a look on how it works, take a look on our prices and account options. If you've got any questions, just go to our assistance page, read about general information like the scaling up plan, where we give 25% extra on the funded account if they are managing it profitably. If you got any questions besides the assistance page, you can hit up our chat and start talking with our agents. And of course, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to follow us. Have a good trading day.